So what's up, YouTube? I probably ain't do a video in about 2 weeks, but I finally went ahead and did the exhaust. So I had originally did the I took off the resonators, but I went ahead and took off the mufflers now. Big difference. So I'm gonna have a sound clip. I don't think I really had a sound clip of it before. I had it when I did the not stock, but I had it when I did the resonators, and they gave it a little more deeper tone. But now it's a little more deeper, louder, and it just got a better overall growl. So I'm gonna have a sound clip of that, and from the outside, then see how it sound from inside the car. If I'm not mistaken, these are the mufflers that was all the way in the rear, like closest to like right here, and these are resonators or mid mufflers, whatever you want to call it. I believe that's the case. A lot of these shops don't even be knowing, so you gotta do your due diligence, do your homework to find out yourself. When I had my Scat Pack, I had took off the mid mufflers, and they were similar to this. So I think that is the mid muffler or the resonator, and this is the muffler all the way in the rear. Back in the whip. So I'm gonna just drive for a bit. Might do some time lapses, just so you can hear. Not gonna be too long though. I really like it. It's got a nice growl to it. Then when I put it in sport, it really sound good. So this with the windows up. It's a little nip tuck out here right now, but put them down real quick, just a little bit. Sunday out here. I ain't about to do too much. About to run to the store. That's about it. Get back in before these games come on. streets out here in DC, man. They ought to be giving anybody who got a car a motherfucking stipend every 6 months or something, man. Cause you gonna need new shocks, these uneven roads and potholes. Man, fuck your car up. I think it's a nice little clip. I ain't even looked at the footage yet. I'ma just put it together. I'm saying I'm making this video without even looking back at it, but I think y'all should be able to hear it. I did it with the windows up, with the windows down. So yeah, if you like it, leave some comments. I need some comments or some likes, some dislikes, anything. But until next time.